At this point, I'm sure you're ready to make a transaction with RFMSccs. So the first thing you'll want to do is, from within order entry, open up your customer list or customer order screen. And from one of your customers that has an open balance, simply click the green button, the money button I like to call it. And you can type or swipe, we like to say. And if you like to use our sample card number against your sample data, there it is for your use. We'll put in an expiration date. Of course, we'll want to put in a credit card address and a zip code if we're trying to do a non-swipe transaction. That'll effectively get us the best rates. And of course, my CVV number, which is not a requirement. Really, the only requirement is that we have a valid expiration date to go along with our card number. So we'll plug in a dollar amount. In this case, we'll use $4. And we can either click the OK button or press the Enter key, at which point a credit card transaction will be occurring. What are we doing here? We must, oh gosh, we're using live data, and the program's working. It's not allowing us to use this bogus card number. So let's go back and make sure that the person who is showing you how to use this product is doing it correctly. And what I'll do here is I'll get us into demo mode so we can use our demo card. And now we'll try that process again. I won't bore you with the steps that I'm going through. I'll just get to the bottom line. This time we'll do $5. We'll hit the Enter key. Got bad addresses. The zip codes are not coming through, so we're getting our zip code address verification service popping up here. Let's go ahead and put in a 85284, which is the good zip code. And we'll see something kind of interesting here. We did get an approval this time, but let's go out and look at our processing window and look at the settlement that happened. We have two transactions here. The first one was voided because the address response was no match. And that's when we put in the data of 85248. But in the second time we went through, we got a Z over here. I can see it already. We got a zip match. And that's because the second time I juxtaposed the digits 85284, which are the correct positions of the digits, which gave us our zip match and our discounted rate cheaper. So this is a good example of a manual swipe payment with some zip match training in there as well. The final step coming up to settle our data will be next.